The job fair is just days away. I wanted to give you some tips to get you prepared and have you all ready to go. The location is the River's Edge Convention Center in downtown St. Cloud. The shuttle buses will leave here from the campus, either from door 4 or the front door of the Health Sciences building, starting at 8:30 in the morning and running until we have the last student back from the fair. So you'll have, the doors will be marked, again, door 4 and the front door of Health Sciences. There'll be big coach buses. You can just hop on and it'll bring you right to the front door of the convention center. Now, what happens when you step off of the shuttle bus and you walk into the convention center on Thursday morning? The first thing you're going to see is programs. You'll want to pick up a program. It's going to list all of the employers that are at the job fair along with their booth number and also what program they're recruiting from. That way you can make a path through the job fair and just go and visit those tables that you're most interested in. Then you're going to step through the doors and you will see the job fair. There are going to be 200 employers that will be arranged with booth numbers, clearly marked, so you'll know where to go to visit the booth that you want to talk to. So now you're stepping through the doors. As you step into the doors, you want to be prepared. That employer is going to be talking to you as if you're in a job interview. So you want to look the part, you want to look confident, and you want to walk up to that employer prepared. Now, what are you going to wear? I would suggest that you wear clothes that you would wear to a job interview. That means the clothes should be clean. You should either shave, have a haircut, not a lot of big heavy jewelry. Don't wear perfume or cologne, and not a lot of heavy makeup. Walk in confidently, dressed appropriately with clothes that might fit your career. So maybe that means a suit and tie, or maybe that means a suit jacket over a blouse for women. Maybe that means just a pullover shirt with khakis or dress pants. Or it could even mean nice, dark, clean blue jeans with a pullover shirt or a long skirt with a blouse. So these are all options, but dress up and have nice shoes that are clean and don't have rips or holes in them as well. So looking the part will make you more confident. What should you bring into the job fair? Well, I would suggest a resume, if you have one made. If you don't have a resume, don't let that stop you though from attending the job fair. Employers want to talk to you. But if you do have a resume, that is a great option to be able to hand over to the employer. Examples of resumes are on the Career Services website on the SCTCC web. So check those examples out and develop a resume. I would then put that resume on resume paper. You can actually go into the bookstore and they've got resume paper in either tan or cream that you can purchase for a pretty good price and print them out on that heavier bonded paper. And maybe put them in a folder or a portfolio that you can then walk around and hand that resume to different employers. All right, so now you're dressed the part, you've got resumes, or you're feeling confident. What are you going to do when you walk into that room? Walk up to the employer. Make good eye contact with them. Smile. Maybe extend your hand to handshake or give them a smile and introduce yourself. Tell them your name and what program you're in and ask them about their company. Lean in to show interest and show good eye contact with a friendly face. Don't look away. Don't come up in a crowd. Try to come up alone so that you can have a good conversation with that employer. It's going to make a great impression for them, and they are taking notes. So if they meet you at the job fair and you do make a good impression, it could mean getting a job with them. All right, so you visited the St. Cloud Technical and Community College Job Fair. You talked to employers, maybe even dropped off some resumes, maybe made some really good contacts. It's a great opportunity for you to follow up after the fair in talking to the different employers and learning more about them. Maybe you'll earn an interview within the next coming days, which is great. But if nothing else, you're getting a great opportunity to make connections and really practice your employer skills and communication. It's going to be a great day, students, and I'm so excited for all of you. The employers want to meet you, so we hope to see you there.